Alright, I'm going to make pulled pork sandwiches by using my MicroPro Grill. Alright, so we're going to use the MicroPro Grill, making our pulled pork sandwiches. We already tested our bread, but you can actually toast it in the MicroPro Grill in casserole mode, which I'll show you what that is. Turn it this way, it's considered casserole mode. And that way it prevents the tops from being squished. Or if you want to grill something, you can put it this way and it starts grilling it, where you can make grilled cheese sandwiches, or I'm actually going to make some homemade egg rolls one of these days. I might even do it over the weekend. So we're going to go ahead and put some of this inside there.
I need a spoon.
Alright. And this is the middle plate, grill plate. Believe it or not, you can put this in the microwave. So we're going to try this out. Most likely I'm going to put this under casserole mode so that all the juices can stay inside and not drizzle down to the side. And we're going to probably put it in for, what do you say, about 10 minutes probably?
I don't know.
Or try 5 minutes and then see what it looks like?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Like I said, this is the first time I've used it today. I just got it. And I'm already breaking it in. So just make sure you get it all around. Might have to make 2 batches of it. Keep it all in the middle here. Alright, I think that's good for now for the first batch.
Okay.
Think so?
Sure.
I love my husband as a cameraman. He's enthused.
Just hungry.
He's just hungry. Alright. Alright, let's try this out. Alright, so we're going to put this first batch in. Do it in casserole mode. Oops. Okay. I'm going to set this puppy in the microwave for 5 minutes. And then we'll see how it looks like in 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Ready? Alright. We did it for another 5 more minutes. That is hot.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah, it does. Oh, it is definitely done. It is definitely done. I'll let hubby be the tester.
So dirty, I think.
Let's
get the dishwasher.
Alright, hold on a second. That's what the clean part. Alright. Hubby be the tester. Alright. See what he thinks. 10 minutes total.
Burn my face off.
Yeah, might want to blow on it.
It's done. Good.
So look at that. 10 minutes in there. And it grilled it. Well, not grilled it, but we put it in casserole mode. And it cooked it. As you heard probably earlier, how it sizzled. And it's dinner time. 10 minutes.